Hello, my name is Hannah, and I'm going to be showing you today how to use Yewno, an artificial intelligence machine learning software that iStudy has access to, that you can make connection maps between concepts and more. First, find the black button on the left top side of the page, and it says Publish Your Own Article. Click on it. It will direct you to the Yewno software on iStudy, and this is where you will make your visual connection making maps. So, for example, if you have an assignment from your Algebra 2 class to connect parabolas to the real world, you might want to start with the concept parabola. Now, find the concept that you want. For me, it was easy since it was right at the top, exactly what I wanted. But as you can see, there's different kinds of the words. Now that your concept has been loaded, you can see how many connections parabola is related to. But this is only at a little scale. You can increase it to display more of the concepts that it's related to by increasing this tab here. Now it displays 97% of all the concepts. Usually you don't want your map to be too messy, so I usually do in the middle. So now you can click on one of the concepts that's connected to you to continue your research. Let's see. I'm going to click conic section. Let's explore that. Once you've clicked on a concept, you can read about it in the overview. You can find the concepts that also is related to, and click on that to find more about that. You can also find documents that are published. And you can read about it if available. Let's click Expand Concept to make it an official connected concept. As you can see, it became from a little circle to a big circle. So now, whenever you click on each line, it'll say which concepts are directly related. So this is a map of concepts that are related. So let's say you have triangle. It's connected to these concepts that are in the yellow. So it is related with parabolas, to conic sections, to envelope and mathematics, and all of that stuff that's in yellow. As you can see, it's not related to everything. So that's how you know what's related. It's when you hover your mouse over it, you will see it's in yellow. You can also search more concepts than just clicking on what you see. For example, let's say I want to discover the relationships between this and space. As you can see, there's different definitions of space. I'll just go with the first one here. It'll give me the definition, images, more concepts that it's related to, documents where I can read more about it, also, as you can see, a new big circle was created. However, you can see that space and conic sections aren't directly connected, and they're actually connected between a smaller concept. So Yewno is just a very good tool where you can visualize connections and do research. So let's say I'm done with my map and this is my project and this is what I want my teacher to see for my assignment. I can save or export knowledge map. So click on that camera icon to do that. Once you've done that, go to the footsteps icon here where it says view and export your research journey. And as you can see, these are like all the steps that you did to create this map. So first you inspected the conic section term, or concept, then you expanded it, and then you got your map that you have right now when you click this icon here. So then you want to select it, and you can export it to all Google Docs, and you can have it on a Google document. However, if you just want to save an image of it, you can just right-click the image here and say Save Image As. Then you can call it your Algebra to Parabolas Yewno map and save that. Now you can go back to your class, go to your Parabolas in the Real World assignment. You can share it with your class here by inserting a file. Make sure you open that. Alright, and then you can say, wow, and this is as a student. After a student has done research, they can say, wow, I didn't know that parabolas were related to space, for example. And then post. And so then you can see, all your classmates and your teachers will see the connection that you made.